Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Listen, example number 6, chapter number 7. Find the page number 164. Find the coordinate of the point. We should find the coordinate of the point, which is divide the line segment. Clear? Actually, we should find the coordinate of the point is a line. We should find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment by joining a 2 points. So it is a 2-point joining 4, 3 and 8, 5. That is a line. Now we should find the point which can be divides the line segment in the ratio 3:1. Excuse me, we should divide this by 3:1 part. We can find that point. Clear? So that is the one point should be there. That point can divide the line by 3:1 part. Excuse me, are you clear? Excuse me, excuse me, clear? So we should find that point. That point can be divides the line by 3:1. Are you clear? Excuse me, excuse me. Okay, da. Okay, listen, are you clear? There is a line here. That is the first point is 4 comma minus 3, last point 8 comma 5. So we should find a one point. That is a point can divide the line segment by 3:1. So we can assume that what is the first one? It is a x1 y1 x2 y2 m1 m2. Are you clear, pa? Okay, da. Now what is the section formula? Section formula, you should write a section formula. Same way for the distance formula. Section formula, what it is? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 M1 plus M2 comma M1 plus M2 y1 M1 plus M2. Okay. First time we have some little bit confusion, but in upcoming problems we will easily will get a formula, right? It can be coming in a flow. Okay. So now that is a point, right? The point that we just consider the point is P of x comma y. The point will divide the line by 3:1. So now we can substitute it. M1 M2. What is the M1 here? 3. 3 into x2. What is the x2? 8 plus m2 1 into x1 4 divided by m1 plus m2 3 plus 1 comma next m1 y1. Where is the m1? 3. 3 into y2 5 plus m2 1 y1 minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2. What it is? 3 plus 1. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, da. 3 8s are 3. Now we can multiply. 3 8s are 3 8s are 20 plus 1 4s are 4. 3 plus 4 4 comma 3 5s are 15. 1 into minus 3 minus 3 divided by 4. Next 24 plus 4 28 by 4. 15 plus 15 plus into minus minus. So 15 minus 3 12 by 4. Next step you can cancel it. 1 4s are 4. How many 4s are 28? 7 4s are 28. Next step. So remaining here 7 by 1 comma you just put a bracket then 1 4s are 4 3 4s are 12 3 by 1. Okay, the answer is 7 comma 3 bracket. Clear? Clear? So the point which can be divided by the 3 to the ratio 3:1, the point is 7 comma 3. Are you all clear? Excuse me? Excuse clear? So the point P 7 comma 3 is a required point. Are you all clear? Clear? Excuse me, any doubt? Any doubt?
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.